Good day, everyone. I'm Erickson de Guzman Salakop, and I'm here to discuss my chosen topic, which is the globalization. Globalization is a process of integrating countries and economies around the world. It has brought about many changes in our world, from the economic to culture. So, in my discussion, I'll be talking about the positive effects of globalization as well as its negative effects. I hope my discussion will help you understand. So, the positive effects of globalization. First, I'll be discussing the positive effects globalization. So, globalization has brought about many opportunities for countries and economies. One of the main benefits of globalization is economic growth. Globalization has led to increased trade and investment in countries, resulting in economic growth and poverty reduction. Globalization has provided access to technology and knowledge from other countries. This led to increase productivity and efficiency in industries. So, globalization has also brought about cultural exchange and understanding. People from different countries have the opportunity to meet and interact with each other. This has led to increased understanding and respect for different cultures. So, globalization has led to increased tourism and access to new markets. Countries have the opportunity to showcase their culture, tourism, and products to other countries. So, the negative effects of globalization. However, not all effects of globalization are positive. Globalization has also had many negative effects. One of the main negative effects of globalization is job displacement. Companies have outsourced jobs to countries with lower labor costs, resulting in job losses in countries with higher labor costs. Globalization has also led to environmental degradation. Increased production and trade have led to increase pollution, and depletion of natural resources. Additionally, globalization has led to exploitation of workers. Companies have taken advantage of workers in countries with lower labor costs and weaker labor laws. Globalization has also led to decline of local industries. Local industries have been affected by globalization, resulting in job losses and decline of communities.